Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to sign into your Microsoft account and suddenly get hit with the frustrating error 0x80190001, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you the most effective methods to fix this error, step by step. Stick with me, because one of these fixes is guaranteed to solve it for you. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, this error usually shows up because Windows security features block the login process. So method 1 is super simple. Open your start menu, go to settings, and then click on update and security. From there, head into Windows security, then virus and threat protection. Here, check if real-time protection is enabled, toggle it off temporarily. This quick change often clears the issue so you can log in without any interruptions. If that doesn't do it, let's move to method 2. Still inside Windows security, go to firewall and network protection. You'll see your active network listed. Click on it. Now, toggle your firewall off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. This refreshes the network rules and can instantly fix the login block. And important note, once you are successfully signed in, make sure you turn the firewall back on for your security. Now, if you're still stuck, don't panic. Sometimes this error is caused by regional or network restrictions. So here's method 3. Use a free VPN like Proton VPN, Windscribe, or TunnelBear. Just open your browser, download any of these trusted VPNs, connect to a server, and then try signing into your Microsoft account again. Many users report that this completely resolves the problem. And that's it. 3 simple but powerful fixes that work. Try them in order, and you should be able to get past error 0x80190001 in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you want help with any other issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.